Day 2, the 7th of April 2021, my video diary. Look at this, folks. Wood off. The yeast is alive. So yeah, day 2. I was going to make an entire movie with our bigger jugs. I was going to make an entire movie and edit it together, but I'll just do it like little vlogs, like so. Progress reports. By the way, if you're wondering what I'm brewing, it's this. Look, got everything. Look, I'm officially a master brewer. This is the brew I've done. Let's just turn the light on. It's this stuff, Feeling Hoppy from Lidl. From Wilko's. And triple hopped IPA. And so that's what I'm doing, if anyone's interested. Got my hydrometer and everything. I took a reading yesterday and it told me the potential alcohol is going to be 5%. So it might be 5% beer, which is brilliant. But there you go. Day 2, I'm well off. I've done everything right. First time, master brewer. It's off. Ready to go. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Beer review, my own beer. Pure spring water. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Questions below.